Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to like a post on X. Why would you want to know how to like a post on X? Well, maybe it is your first time using X and not sure how to like a post on X. So today I'm going to show you how to like a post on X. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Liking a post on X is quite simple and the process is easy to do, and it is same for Android and iOS devices. First of all, open X app. Here you are seeing different posts. If their content attracts you, you can simply like their post and thumbs up to them for more content like that. How you can do that? It is very simple. You are seeing heart icon here. Click on it. Now you have liked their post. There you go. If you wanted to know how to like a post on X, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.